What's happening, YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? I pray that you're all taking this coronavirus pandemic seriously. You're doing your proper social distancing, and everybody's safe. And if you get it, hopefully it doesn't affect you too bad. Back up amongst the living, but I just pray for everybody and their families, and everybody does okay. So today I'm gonna work on my flatbed trailer project. It's a 48-foot utility. If you look at a couple of videos from, or a video from a couple of years ago, I pulled this out of, used my tow truck and hauled it out of a mechanic's yard. It was left behind by my cousin actually, and he just told me to come and get it. So I got it, and now I got some work to do to it. All in all, the trailer's not in too bad a shape. Like I said, it's a 48-foot spread axle, and it's made by utility trailers. A little bit of rust, but trailer sound. I ought to replace one glad hand. I'm gonna do the other one here shortly. And once I get all this trash off of it, there's a couple of boards I'll replace. Some of the others I'll just wait till they go completely. There's a hole right there, and it needs tires all the way around. I got brand new rims and tires to put on there, but I'm gonna paint it before I put the new tires on there. All the lights work on it, and it flows down the road pretty easy. But it's a project trailer, so you got a little work ahead of me. And if you look right there, I got one brake chamber that's blown apart. So I think I have one. If not, I'll get that one off and get a new one and get it stuck back on there, and then this trailer will be ready to roll. When I replaced this valve, I had to replace the whole bracket and this big nut right here and hook up to the line on the inside. This one is still good, so I just need to replace the gland head itself. Shouldn't be too hard of a job. Look, looks like maybe replacing this whole one too. So this is what the old valve looks like, old busted. So you see the rubber is getting hard and brittle. There's some type of old grass or nest or something that's got in there. And the line itself is stopped up with, I don't know, moss or spider or something, and got in there and blocked it up. And you can see something has made its way in there. I don't know how long that trailer's been sitting, but it's been there a while. All right, folks, we had a break in work and a break in the weather, so I got a pretty nice day. So I came back down to do some more work on my flatbed. What you're looking at right now, these are all the components that make up this little piece right here. This sits inside the trailer. And then when I stick it back on, you'll see this right here on the outside. That'll go in there, and the glad hand will sit on top of that piece there. So that's all you'll see sticking out of the trailer when I'm finished. But before I put it back in the trailer, I'm going to throw some pipe thread on it, make sure we got it sealed. Doesn't take much, just a little. But these little connectors right here, where you lose all your air pressure overnight after the truck sits a while. Make sure that's good and tight. Now I stick my hand back in that hole.